Hello traders, this is going to be a learning video as I am going to show you how I captured this 1:5 risk reward in EURUSD, what were my confluence, what were my entry points, everything I'm going to discuss in this video in detail. I always start my analysis on the higher time frame and then I slowly move to a lower time frames, capturing the level, marking the levels, everything. So on the weekly time frame, I saw that market gave a breakout of this trend line, and then on the daily, I look at the market structure. Clearly market was bullish. Market was making higher highs and higher lows. At my entry point, market was making a higher low, and from here, of course, the market was about to make a new higher high. So I was bullish on the higher time frames. So my view on the higher time frame is clearly that market is bullish. So I went on the 4 hours to actually align everything. How can I enter? So first of all, this trend line was here. Now when I draw this trend line on the breakout, I saw that candles were not high volume candles. I mean, the breakout was not strong enough because on the 1 hour there was a resistance here. This one, resistance. So market was respecting very exactly. I mean, not a single candle closed above my level. So I understood that this breakout is going to be failed. And as expected, market moved down. But there was a catch. This support, what market did is that first of all, market took the support from here, first touch, and then market liquidated all of the buyers who put their stop loss below this support. This candle liquidated all the stop loss. And then I understood that market is in no mood to fall down because market took the liquidity and then reversed. But still I wanted some confirmation that market wants to go up. So if you'll notice that this trend line liquidity has been grabbed. Whenever trend line liquidity is being grabbed, I always shift my trend line to the new high after the liquidity swing. So what do I mean by this? Here, after this trend line, market gave a big fake out. So I'm going to shift my trend line here. Now, this is my new trend line. Why? Because market has taken the liquidity. Now the current data is this one, this high basically. So I'm going to focus on this. Now I went on the lower time frame to get the confirmation. So for me, the lower time frame will be of course 1 hour because my trend line was drawn in 4 hours. Then what I saw here, my rule is to never enter on the first breakout, always. So here, I saw that market gave a first breakout here. There was a resistance which market was respecting exactly. Again, not a single candle closed above my support resistance area. Okay. Now here market gave a fake out, trapped the buyers. Buyers thought the market was about to go up from here. But instead market went down, hit the SL of the buyers. Again, the sellers who thought that this was a fake breakout, what they will do? They will short here that market will go like this. Now buyers, sellers both are trapped. Okay. Now higher time frame is bullish. Everything is indicating bullishness. Okay. So I waited for the confirmation, which was in this case was the crossing of this resistance. Okay. Then what I saw that market was crossing with high volume. I entered here, kept my SL here, and my target was this supply zone. I think that was on daily. If you will see that there was a supply zone here, the daily time frame very strong, so I kept my target at that supply zone. Partials, profit taking area where of course the swing highs. Every swing high is a good area for taking partials. Now the most common doubt which will be there is that how I was confident that this resistance is not going to be respected, or I should have think twice before taking this trade because there was a strong resistance here, right? Just think about this. First, this trend line was here, this trend line was here, like this. So resistance has already been used so many times. If you'll see, this was the 1 hour resistance. I mean, look at the number of times it has been tested. I mean, I can't even count this. And you know, whenever a resistance is being tested multiple times, it means it becomes weak. That's one of the fact. But what was my main confirmation is that count the number of times market took the liquidity of sellers. First here liquidated the support, stop loss below the supports. Okay, liquidated here one time, and then again on the 1 hour again liquidated the sellers. That means market wants to go up. There is no point in thinking that market is about to go down. But think about this. This was the first breakout. Okay, I mean, look at this trend line. Very strong trend line, right? From a very high time it is being respected. So this was the first breakout. Market grabbed the buyer's liquidity, seller's liquidity. That means market is on the verge to go out. So I was confident enough that market is not going to respect this resistance area. So that's why I simply took this trade. So I'm going to make more videos like this so that you can also have some learning in the future trade which I took, in which I make loss, profits, what were my mistakes, trade is in profit, what were my accuracy, everything. So stay tuned. Thank you, and please subscribe for more content like this.